Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prep our vegetables. Take your time chopping 1 yellow onion, 3 stalks of celery, and 2 carrots into nice, even pieces. For the 3 yellow potatoes, cut them into 1-inch cubes. They should all be roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Think of it as building blocks for our stew. By the way, since many of you ask about this kitchen knife set that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next, we'll prep the remaining ingredients. Mince 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic until it's super fine. You'll know it's ready when it's about the size of grains of sand. Then, cut your 2.5 pounds of pork into 1-inch cubes, trying to keep them uniform for even cooking. Now, let's season our pork. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Sprinkle this mixture over the pork cubes and toss well to coat every piece evenly. You want each cube to have that beautiful reddish coating from the paprika. Time to brown our pork. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. When the oil starts to shimmer, add the seasoned pork in batches. Don't overcrowd. Cook until each side is nicely browned, about 2-3 minutes per side. Once done, set the pork aside on a plate. Let's build our flavor base. In the same pot with all those lovely brown bits from the pork, add your chopped onion, celery, and carrots. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll know they're ready when the onions become translucent and start to soften. Add your minced garlic to the pot and cook for just 1 minute. Keep stirring. Garlic can burn quickly, and we want it fragrant but not bitter. You'll smell that wonderful aroma when it's just right. Now comes the fun part. Return the brown pork to the pot. Add your cubed potatoes and sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Give everything a good stir to combine all these beautiful ingredients. Pour in 1 cup of tomato sauce and 1/2 cup of low-sodium chicken broth. These liquids will create our rich, flavorful base. The tomato sauce adds body while the broth brings depth to our stew. Drop in 1 bay leaf and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the pork is tender and the potatoes are easily pierced with a fork. Here's a pro tip. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water until smooth. Stir this slurry into the stew. It's the secret to a perfectly thick sauce. Make sure to stir well to avoid any lumps. Let the stew simmer for another 5 minutes until it reaches your desired thickness. The sauce should coat the back of a spoon nicely. That's how you know it's perfect. Finally, fish out that bay leaf. It's done its job. And give your stew a taste. Adjust the seasoning if needed. And finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for that pop of color and freshness. Your hearty pork stew is ready to serve. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.